NewKentmafia. This is our second video. This right here, this is the Crossman bundle pack. This is a spring action. This is too. This right here is 325 FPS. It holds 350 rounds in the clip right here. This is a standard paintball mask. This holster actually came with the gun. All this is about, what, $35 at Walmart, Target.
Yeah, it's about 35.
Yeah. And this is, this right here holds about 14 bullets. It's 200 FPS. It's spring action. The clip's right here. And that is it for... Oh, and don't forget the weight. The weight for this is 2.22 pounds. This is 0.67 ounces or pounds.
Mm-hmm.
And that would be it for the NewKentmafia.
All right. Well, subscribe and comment, please.
Thank you for viewing the video.